Online football show FC Cymru is closely following Wales' journey towards the Euro 2020 Championship. But according to one of the show's presenters, it does so much more than that.
So FC Cymru is a monthly online magazine show, so I'm one of the presenters for it. We go around the entire of Wales and of course away as well to cover everything really, from grassroots football all the way up to the international stage. We've qualified most of the women's game. The women's been fantastic at the minute with their continued support by the Welsh public, and the growing support as well for women's football here in the Wales. And of course we've been covering lots of the Cymru leagues and grassroots football all the way up from little kids all the way up to the men's team. We're coming up to a crucial part of the European qualifying campaign. Next up we've got Slovakia and Croatia. Slovakia away, we beat them at home thanks to Dan James' effort right at the start of the campaign, and then Croatia, we recently played them away, we lost away, but it was a game we could have got something out of. So at the minute it's all to play for, it's all in the balance, but two positive results here would really kind of put us on the front foot for a successful qualifying campaign, and hopefully we can qualify for the next Euros, which would be great. So yeah, I've been into football since I was a wee little kid. I once kicked Bobby Gould's former Wales and Cardiff City manager in the back of the head when I was a baby, and from then really I've always had a knack for kicking balls. Any given opportunity I'll always turn up and watch a bit of football, play a bit of football, and I follow Wales all over the globe. I've been a Wales away member since the early qualifying campaign for the Euro 2016, and Cyprus away, since Gareth Bale scored that magnificent 90th minute winner. You just can't stop me. My mum and dad literally can't stop me. They've tried to take my passport off me, but they're never going to get it.